welcome to my channel. JoAnn Barrandey here. Friends, if you're new, welcome. And if you're a current subscriber, welcome back, friends. Today is going to be part 2 of my Dollar Tree Summer Vibes haul. The first thing I wanted to share with you, friends, we are so close to reaching our 500 subscriber mark. I'm going to have a Dollar Tree giveaway when we reach 500 subscribers. I am so excited. I cannot believe this. Friends, the contest rules are you have to be 18 years or older. You have to be subscribed to my channel. You have to like and comment on this video and add hashtag giveaway to your comment. You also have to live in the US. I'm sorry, friends that are not from the US. I'll do something special for you. I'll figure it out later on. All right, friends, let's get started. With that being said, let's move the box out. Oh, wait, I forgot one thing. What will be in the box will be what you tell me you want me to put in there. You can go to part 1, the video, Summer Vibes, and tell me what you saw in that video that you want me to put in this box, or what you see from this video that you might want me to put in this box. And you might be the lucky winner. All right, friends, let's move on. First thing that I saw at the Dollar Tree that was new to me were these beautiful little silk flowers. They're little tea lights. Friends, I wish I would have known how pretty they were. I would have picked up some more. I think they had some in white. They are so adorable. They're LED. Is that not cute? And they're silk. They're very, very pretty. Oh my gosh. I can just see this. The possibilities are endless. Another thing that I saw that was very new to me were these little candle jars. Are these not cute? They've got the little nautical rope theme going on. I can see these with sand and a tea light in there, or I don't know, maybe seashells. Maybe, oh, look at that. That is too cute. Oh, look at this little lemon trinket plate. I love to put these by the sink because I always take my rings off when I'm going to wash dishes. And this is just too cute. Oh my gosh. And they had them also in little watermelons, half slice, but they were kind of pink. It wasn't red. It was like a mauve color. And they also had a circle one that was an orange. Oh, they're too cute. And for $1, friends, they're adorable. Just to keep by your sink. I'm going to put my little bee ring on it since my bee gets stuck on these handles all the time. Oh, friends, look what the Dollar Tree is carrying for $1. The lemons. And that's not enough. The limes for $1. Do you know how expensive these are at Hobby Lobby? Look at that. I know I was hoggish and picked up all they had, but friends, I can see these. If I don't use them on a wreath or tier tray, I'm going to put them in one of those cylinder vases and mix them up. All right, next I have Be Happy Klingon sticker. Oh my gosh, friends, is this not pretty? For $1. All right, and talk about stickers. Here we go, Eric. I found these cute summer stickers, and I thought I have to have that for my Summer Vibes haul. They're little puffy ones, but they are adorable. For $1. This is a big pack. Hey friends, guess what? You won't recognize my Eric. He cut his hair. He got a haircut. He looks so handsome. And I hadn't noticed, but last week, he shaved his mustache off, and I didn't even notice it till Friday. Love you, son.
It was like 4 or 5 days went by, and it took my little brother saying something. Yeah. And they were like, what? You shaved your mustache? When?
And I said,
5 days ago.
And I said, ay, que chulo, mijo. So handsome. All right, friends, I finally hit the jackpot on the gingham pattern ribbon. Oh my gosh, they had a big selection. I picked up the pink, several of the black and white, the green and white, several of the red and white, and several of this, the black and red. Oh my gosh, these are a bargain for $1. And I also picked up some of this to save for Christmas, at Christmas time or summertime. I don't know. This kind of will go with a watermelon theme. And then I found this one, friends. It's got little lemons all over it. This is cute, but this was the only one that they had. Friends, I picked up these from the toy section. It's a little kitchen set, play set for kids, because I am going to use the little donuts and I'm going to decorate them and I'm going to make them into Christmas ornaments. I will have to show you how easy you can redecorate these, because they're plastic. Look at that. I think that's right. Look, friends, I'm going to redecorate these. These are going to be great for my gingerbread theme Christmas tree. All right, friends, something else that I found that I thought was cute that's going to go in this box is this microfiber screen cleaner. Is this not cute? Can you see it, Eric? Because it's got a glare on the... I thought this was so cute. You just put your hand in there and wipe your phone screen, and it was too cute. They had this and they had another pattern. Oh, I can't believe what the other character was. Can't believe I can't remember. But anyway, oh well, don't remember. But this one was too cute, so it's my choice to go in that box. And Dollar Tree has all kinds of bag tags. Friends, these are so neat to put on your luggage. Oh my gosh, my husband and I are planning to take a little getaway trip this summer, and I thought I'd pick up the flamingo. Because of all colored suitcases to have, we have black. So anyway, this will be a colorful tag to add to my luggage. I love nails, Quito nails. All right, friends, I picked up these nails, and when you pick up nails for yourself from the Dollar Tree, these were too cute. They have like little animal print on the tips of them. They're great, they're wonderful, but you have to buy 2 sets, because one set, even though there's 12, they will not fit all the fingers properly, okay? So if you do try these nails, they're great. And I usually use the Kiss glue with them, and they last as long as you want them to last. Let's put it that way. I finally found the garlands that everybody's been hauling. These were new at my store, finally. Look at that, staying alive. Is that not cute? Oh, friends, whether you hang it up all together or you take it apart like I like to do, the possibilities of what to do with this are endless. I just thought this was a bargain for $1. I found this one. Well, I call them garlands, but they're kind of like banners or something. I don't know. I am going to actually take this apart. I think this will look so pretty on something in your kitchen, like maybe your tier tray or a small wreath or something. I don't know. Like I said, the possibilities are endless. Don't stop believing. Oh, is this not cute? Friends, I love to have stuff like this in my big flower pots. And I think that the only reason that it's got this little rope, because I don't think anybody would hang it like that. I think it's just for their sake at the store. But look how easy I'm going to take that off. Okay, let's see. Oh, another thing I found was, beep, beep. Look at these cute truck plant stakes that they have. Are these not adorable? Oh my gosh, friends, for $1. They also had them with the little sign above that said welcome, where they were not garden stakes, they were just little hanging decoration. But I picked these once again, to put in my flower pots. Are they not cute? Friends, these are adorable. These metal stakes for $1 a piece. Okay, friends. Then I made it to the food section, I think. Yes. And Dollar Tree is carrying all kinds of Betty Crocker casseroles mixes. This one is Yukon Gold potato casserole. Friends, they also had one for sweet potato, and they had another one. I'm gonna have to try this out. To me, for $1, this is a bargain. And for a low carb, low snack, I picked up the pork rinds. And friends, let me tell you something about it to look out for. If you go and pick some of these up, pick up the bag that says bonus bag 50% more. Because you know, most of the time you get a bag with half filled with air. So if you find the bonus bag for $1, you feel like you're getting a little bit more. Okay, another thing I wanted to point out to you, this Russell Stover Lemon Puckers lemon candy with sour kick. Oh my gosh, friends, this is like eating a little Girl Scout lemon cookie. It is so good. Try it. You'll love it. It's not really sour like it says, but they are so good. And I guarantee you, you eat one of these, you won't need a second one because they're so rich and filling. Love them. Okay, and the Dollar Tree is also carrying a big variety of spices, and they're the Supreme Tradition brand. I just needed some garlic salt, and I was already there. Don't really know if this is a bargain for $1. I don't know how much they sell for at Walmart, but anyway, I was there. They have a big selection of spices, so I went ahead and picked it up. Oh, friends, and I finally found the Starburst all pink, zero sugar singles to go. Oh my gosh, everybody's been hauling these, and you guys are right. These things are great. I mixed one of these packets, actually a half of this pack, into almond milk and a little bit of water and some frozen strawberries. Half a pack of this. Oh my gosh, everybody says it tastes like a Starbucks strawberry drink. I don't know, I don't ever go to Starbucks because the line is usually so long and I'm pretty impatient. So I mixed it up here at the house. Friends, this is worth a try. All right, another thing that they finally got back this year. Oh, I love these things. These are True Lemon, these little packets. If you like lemon water or lemon in your tea, oh, just sprinkle some of this crystallized lemon. Friends, it's a bargain for $1. And I like to put it in my water during the summer. And look, I think you get 12 packets. That is a bargain. Another thing that I finally found at the Dollar Tree were the protein drinks. I got some in strawberry and some in peach. Friends, these are a bargain for $1. I could not believe it. Okay, another thing that I thought was neat that I found were these Skittles freezer pops. I haven't tried them yet, but it makes my mouth water already. We love to have these in the freezer. My husband and I, during the summer, will sit out by the pool and just have a couple of these. And you get how many? 10 bars in this package. Another thing that they have at the Dollar Tree is the sparkling water in different flavors. Oh, friends, this is a bargain for $1. And another one is the kiwi strawberry. If you haven't tried these are wonderful, and they are zero sugar. Maybe that's why I picked them up. Friends, I think that's the end of my Part 2 Dollar Tree Summer Vibe haul. All right, friends, I just wanted to tell you what I've got coming up, upcoming videos. I hope that I have time to do a Mother's Day craft. I'm going to show you. I made these little coasters. I showed you at Easter that I was making these. These are little coasters. These are napkins that I picked up, and they turned out so cute once I put that resin, epoxy resin on them. They are adorable, but what I wanted to show you is the ones that I'm making as Well, I'm going to show you mine first. This is a favorite picture of my husband and one of my boys last year from Cinco de Mayo. And I just thought I would make it into a little coaster this year. Or you can use them as little pictures. This year, what I want to share with you on how I make these, I'm making these for some of our family members for Mother's Day. And this is my niece, and her beautiful daughters. Look, friends, all you do is you take a picture of your choice and you Mod Podge it on there, and I'm going to show you how we do the finished touches on it. But look how cute they turn out. Is this not cute? It doesn't have to be a coaster. It can be a little picture, a little keepsake. It's going to be like a Mother's Day keepsake video. All right, friends.
But you can tell them why you might be delayed.
Oh, okay. If I don't get to it, friends, by Mother's Day, I have to have a little procedure done on my left eye this morning. And hopefully I won't be doing a video with an eye patch next time you see me. So say a prayer for me. I don't want to look like Rooster Cochrane, or what was that guy's name?
Rooster Cogburn.
Oh, what's his name?
Rooster Cogburn.
Rooster Cogburn from, what was that movie called?
It's from your period. You should know.
I thought about it the other day. But anyway, friends, say a prayer for me. Oh, this crazy crafty queen bee. Oh, and by the way, I have a friend that told me, quit going to the dollar store and Dollar Tree and stay home and craft. I want to see more craft videos. Yes, ma'am, Miss Teresa. I'm here. I will be crafting. Hopefully not with an eye patch. But anyway, friends, I love you to the moon and back. Do more of what makes you fabulous. And remember, don't let anyone dull your sparkle. Love you, friends.